Hey, Tom Casey here from Griffin Service, and today I'm talking to you about our Sweet 16 guarantee. Sweet 16 guarantee. First of all, the Sweet 16 guarantee is for systems that are 16 seer and higher installed in a residential application. So Sweet 16, what is it? Basically, it's a 16-year parts and labor guarantee on anything we do. Now, let's talk about that for a second. So, not all companies are created equal, and definitely not all installations are performed to the same standards. Many contractors don't provide a comprehensive upfront analysis, detailed next level installation, and a thorough, surefire commissioning process to make sure everything is aligned and perfect. Well, Griffin, we're a little different. And we follow best practices, and we have operational excellence processes in place to ensure our promise of legendary service. Proper design combined with proper installation plus properly scheduled maintenance tasks should mean a problem-free system for many years. If our team of professionals performs our I-5 consultation process, we check the whole house out, we do all the sizing, we evaluate the ductwork, and we rank recommendations to you that you follow and implement, and we install those things using our next level installation processes, we will guarantee parts and labor for 16 years as long as you maintain membership in our concierge club and you start within the first 6 months. Basically, we're going to do the upfront analysis, the installation, and then take care of the system properly. It shouldn't break down. Simple as that. Any existing components, any documented deficiencies, any declined work we do, of course, makes sense. We're all smart people. We won't guarantee something we didn't do or we told you you need to do, but you elected not to for whatever reason. It's always your house, your money, your decision, so we would support that entirely. But for example, if you didn't change ductwork that we recommended changing or the ductwork was existing, we're not going to warranty that because we didn't do anything for that scope of work, or a line set, or electrical, or a breaker, or something that's unrelated. But anything we did, units we installed, piping we installed, ductwork we modified, whatever, we'll guarantee that for the 16-year period under our Sweet 16 guarantee. Your Sweet 16 warranty guarantee is completely transferable. So if you sell the house, as long as you and your buyer document everything in writing before 60 days, we can make all the transfers. At 61 days, unfortunately, there's nothing we can do. Our hands will be tied, but 60 days, it's fully transferable to anyone who may buy your house subsequently from you. So it's an amazing sales feature when you go and go ahead and sell the system. So that's our Sweet 16 guarantee. And I'm telling you, no one else has anything like it around. It's the best in the market. It gives you the serenity of knowing that you buy the best from the best and you're covered the best. Boom.